What's up, guys? In today's video we're going to be playing Lost and Found Nightmares, which is mostly a Gorilla Tag fan game. I'm covered in so much blood. Do I put play? I don't know, I haven't played this game in a while, so it might take a while to load. I really want that quest 3 so badly. I'm $150 short. Shit, fuck, fuck. So loud. Okay. Hey, open Gangnam Style. I'm not gonna live in there just yet. Oh my god. Oh, I can be J-Man Curly's energy cover. Oh, you're creepy. Oh no, don't tell me I can't join in public. Actually, anyone here? God damn it, someone.
Hi, welcome to my shop. Feel free to look around and try anything on.
Huh. Ah! I'm J-Man Curly! I'm about to shut your mind there now. I am J-Man Curly. No one can stop me. Oh shit, lag. Unequip. Yes. And I gotta have. I can't do shit. Sadly, I don't see a top hat. Made me sad. I got the monkey! I'm a little sad this game doesn't work anymore. I'll try the code 1. If no one's in there, I'll do.
Welcome to more Street Fight. Working angels.
Alright, so Monkey Horror 2 it is. Haven't played this in a while. I know it's popular. Actually, Fun Monkey Horror was a lot better, in my opinion. I love the game. You know what? I'm really dehydrated. The game can load for a second. Ah. I also have some extra stimulant liquids. Right. For playing. I know this is so shit. Oh. No, the sound is gone. No, not my beautiful sound. I like the sound. Okay. Why isn't there no sound? Hello? Can you hear me? Okay, I'm just worried why I can't hit like a single thing. Alright. What the hell is this? Haven't played this game in a while. This looks completely different.
Oh yeah, me neither. Like it's been so long since I played
Oh, it's
this
coming
game.
soon.
Like
Oh,
I remember.
it's gonna be a maze.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Hell no.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be a maze.
Well, I want to see if they made it. Oh, wait, what? Credit to all of
Yeah, I
these
think some
guys.
of the OG levels are back.
Oh, yeah, this is the OG.
Yeah, some of the OG levels
Wait,
are back.
Do I sell my stuff?
Yeah.
How much money do I have? How do I check how much money I have?
Cool kids.
Oh, how do I check how much money I have?
Why was yours there?
Oh, over here.
Okay, 13,115.
Excuse me.
I have enough.
It literally says I have 16.
Give me the water hat, goddammit.
199 crystals.
Hey,
My
Wait,
God.
won't let me get any cosmetics.
Evan, I hear you. I hear you in the game.
Yeah, whatever.
oh yeah, I hear.
I'm thinking about it.
Where are you?
I'm thinking about it. Come on, let's go.
Hey, look, I can fly.
Evan, do you see a red? Wait, is this
Wait,
you?
I'm levitating, bro.
Yes.
What's over here?
Hey,
Oh, they got the
over
OG
here.
levels back.
Bro, they brought.
Let's just go from this way to the other side.
Yeah, they added the OG levels.
Let's just go from this side. So, marble slab. Come on.
Bro,
Yeah,
saying you made.
Oh, this is different.
Is this a new level?
Remorse Lab used to be so much darker.
I don't remember a marble. Where'd you go? Bro, why are you flying?
I'm here.
How are you flying? Is it a jetpack? Oh my god, what the frozen? I can't tell. Where did he go?
Oh, that is terrifying.
Yeah, I don't like that. Come on.
Oh, get up.
Did you make it? He didn't make it. Okay, I'm right here. I'm right here. Where are you, Blue? All right. Next is Forest.
Forest
This is Siren
next.
Head. Wait, what? This isn't Forest.
I think there's other people here actually.
Where is Siren Head? Oh, this is a lot better.
Help!
Come on.
Help!
Hey, how are you full?
What the?
Why is everyone running? There's nothing here. Is everyone okay?
Yeah, like, what's going on? There's nothing here.
Whoa.
Yep. What? Bro, who broke the door? Probably Diddy or something.
Bro, I don't hear the monster. I think the monster might be glitched.
He's right
What do
there!
you mean it's right there?
Yeah, you
I am
there!
blind.
Evan!
I'm either blind or
Evan!
there's nothing there.
You wanna go down there?
Sure, let's go see the monster. Come on, Blue.
Yeah, I can't see anything.
Bro, I think I'm blind. Where is Siren Head? Oh. Oh, hell no. How am I supposed to know how to get back?
Oh, that's a tree.
We don't have a flashlight anymore.
Help! Help!
He's going too fast.
What?
Run! Run! Run now! Run now!
Why do I feel like I just heard him? Why do I hear boss music?
Why, bro?
Why do I feel like I hear boss music?
What
Do,
the?
do,
Like,
do,
why are we
do.
running?
Do, do, do.
There's nothing even chasing us.
I don't see him. Are you sure? I want to see him.
I just gotta levitate. Like, for real, who broke the door?
Oh, I heard him. I
Probably
heard him. I heard him.
me, I don't know.
I just barely heard Siren Head.
Why? Where?
What?
Bro, you're
Blue? Over here. With the
You're
nuke.
glitching,
Am I
bro.
tripping or is there nothing here? But, what the fuck?
yeah, like there's nothing here for me.
Where'd you go?
Like I gotta be tripping or something.
Wait, why are you leaving without me?
Am I tripping? Am I crazy or are you guys just like trying to freak us out or something? What are
Oh
you
my-
running from?
What the fuck was...
Dude, I heard the music. I heard
Yeah,
it.
I think every single person in the
music?
world heard that. Besides maybe some people.
Go.
Okay, made it. Come on. Click it.
I can't trust you.
Look.
guys. What is that? What is that?
Shit, fuck.
What's that?
Did you see it? What does it look like? I say click the...
What's that red light over there?
That's a player! Wow, Mike and John's scared.
Blue, wait for me. Stop flying away from me.
I will be dead. That's what the white was.
How are we supposed to know where it is? How are we supposed to remember the way back? We don't have flashlights. We don't have a
I
map.
trust you guys now. He's there.
I have no clue where... Oh, shit, there's a wall. I heard him. I'm
It's
schizophrenic
void
or
on my
not.
screen.
Come on. What's the one with the nuke? Okay, there. Come on.
Yo,
Let's check
Evan,
out
that was crazy.
Let's check the next level. Come on.
No,
Where did Blue go? Oh, there. Wait. Where
Evan.
did Blue with the nuke go?
Oh,
Where did he go?
hi. I'm Blue.
Hey.
I meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I meet you.
No.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm checking out Slender Tubbies.
No,
Oh.
what? What? Guys, wait.
Sorry, Tubby.
Yeah, we're waiting.
Oh, yeah.
Guys.
Oh, I see you. You're right there.
This is.
Come on, Slender Tubbies. Ready?
See, you are right there.
Okay, slow.
Oh, no.
Oh God.
I remember
no.
this. I remember the torture. I hear it. I hear them. I hate that I can't see anything. Why'd they make it so dark? Well, before I could at least see them. Oh shit, no! Where is he?
What?
They can get in. Where are they? They can't get up here, right? They can get in there, but where are they?
Yeah, I don't think they can get us up here. I'm just gonna levitate. I don't know.
I'm scared. I forgot how scary this one was. Shit, I fell.
How scary this one was,
Oh my
too. Oh gosh.
God. Where are they? Are they invisible?
I still don't know the story behind
Bro,
it.
they're invisible.
How they got like infected or something?
Yeah, they ate infected suit. Am I crazy, but are they invisible? Cause I can't see them. They're coming from over there, but I don't want to go over there. They're coming from that way. I don't want to go over there.
Okay. Can we please just get out of here? These sounds are giving me the creeps.
Yep, PTSD. Come on. Come on, hurry. Oh. Okay, well,
Holy
where are you?
dude.
Come on. I'm waiting out crawl space 2.
Dude, that was...
Wait, don't go in just yet. Don't go in just yet. We gotta wait for the other one.
That's not for scary toilets. It's scary toilet. Scary toilet.
Yeah, no, I didn't like that. Okay, ready? Wait, what? I almost got outside the map. Ah!
What is that?
Blue? Oh, what the hell was that?
Oh gosh.
Bro, this is... Where is he?
Where are you guys?
Bro, where are you? We're in the main hot area. In crawl space 2. Ah! Oh! He's right there! He just went around the corner. It was like this. Yeah. I can stay here. This is a safe spot. There is a wall here. I want to see which areas are safe and which aren't. This way is not safe. So it's oh. What? Don't come, no, you're not come. This is a death sentence. Oh! What was that? No, no. Ah! Nah, PD. Oh! Come on. Orange. There you are, never mind. Okay, come on. I don't like this.
Oh!
This gives me PTSD. That way is safe. The other way are all death. Oh! No. That looks like a human.
Bro, I hate this level already.
Bro, I played it originally. I remember this stupid thing. I hated this. Oh. Ah! I did not like this one. Like, I hate this one and the Slender Tubbies one. Sorry, I'm having a goddamn heart attack. Holy shit. I can stay over here. This is the only, there's 2 safe spaces. There and here, I'm pretty sure. I'm not, I don't want to. Ah! Why was he so loud? They're everywhere. Nah, screw this. Blue, Baden, Orange, come here. Hell no.
Sorry, guys.
Alright, see ya. Orange, come on. No. I don't like that. Come on, we can go to the next level.
Go. Yeah.
Hey, Red. Okay, level basic.
Hi. This is a big sit too. Big sit too. Gotta go down.
Yeah, I know, but I'm taking my time.
Hey guys. Hi guys.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, what
Fuck
the
it.
hell?
Oh, no!
Hey guys, stop it!
Who's closing the gates?
guys scared?
Someone has to close the gates. I'm not doing it.
The doors are not closed.
Okay, they're closed.
The loudest.
This is where we are. Where do we have to go?
That's not what I keep getting. Holy
Okay, so none of the monsters. Oh, guys, none of the monsters.
I'll
Oh,
find it.
open the door. Okay, none of the monsters.
Oh
Oh my god. You know what? Come in, Jeffrey. And you, Dharma. No, don't open. No, don't close them. It's more fun if they're actually a threat. You have to be a threat to be scary. You can just close the doors. This isn't scary.
He's calling the hood in my hood.
It's called Fun Monkey Horror. We're supposed to have fun and get scared at the same time. Oh hell no! I forgot.
My God! Oh yes!
He's behind me. Wait, guys. Wait, this is the direction they go
What are
to.
you guys scared about?
So if we get to here, we'll be fine. Okay, guys, I've got a plan. We have to try and enter this room. Try and get to this room without getting killed. So it's a little bit difficult because the monster's gonna be coming from that way. So we have to that way, go all the way down,
Follow the
across,
red path?
boom. So that means we have to open this door. Who's going first?
And close this door?
Yep. No, it's straight down.
Wait. Oh, this is pretty chill.
Yeah, and it's straight down from here. Shit. I forgot. This is completely different from the map. I think they're fast.
They are.
Orange just died. I just saw Orange just disappear.
God dang it. What are you fatty?
Did you disappear?
Me too. What are you fatty? Are you? I'm touching. What are you fatty?
I don't know where we are anymore. We're lost. Please, Jeffrey, come over here and kill us so we can get back to a safe place.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear
Yeah.
me? Okay.
Oh my god, Jesus, don't do.
Guys, where are you? Oh, yeah, over here. Over here.
Alright, I don't know where I am. I want to try and find the monster.
I think we're going the wrong path.
Yeah, we went the wrong path
way.
ages ago.
Yeah, we went to the
Oh! He's behind me. He enters this room. He will kill us. Who wants to give Jeffrey a hug? Who wants to give him a hug?
Guys, I will distract. I'll try to distract, okay?
No, what? I'll distract. I don't get scared that easily from video
I
games.
can do it, I can
What's
do
the
it.
worst thing that could happen?
I can try to do it.
What? They're gonna rip my insides out.
Poop your pants, pee your pants.
Wow, I'm so scared. Like nothing's bad has ever happened
I'm so scared.
while playing a game like this. Come on, you can make it.
Yeah, it's not you.
I'll be first. I'm the sacrifice here.
Left. But walk way, weirdo. You think I know the way to go back.
Well, I'm trying to get back. We found a different room somehow.
Yeah,
Oh, it's a horse! It's a horse! Give me a hug, Jeffrey! Where'd the other one go? Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Oh, there he is. Come on.
What the hell is that?
It's a pig monster. How do we get back? How did we get lost?
I don't know. It looks like we have to kill ourselves.
I don't think we can kill the monster.
Fight the monsters.
The monster is gone. I'm guessing.
Yeah, the monster is gone. Everybody is happy. Yeah, and we
Wait.
and we lose somebody. Wait, what? I did it!
Where's the other one? Come on, hurry! Throw your sword behind you. Shoot. Wait. I think this is a good thing. This way.
Is this a good thing or a bad
Both,
thing?
I'm pretty sure. Come on.
I know.
I'm not even using my strength. I'm tired.
But to be honest, Red is extremely fast. Red's
Wait.
extremely fast is because.
Okay. This is the checkpoint. We're lost. I think we should just try and die the monsters if we want to get back.
Wait, let me touch the checkpoint. Let me touch it. Okay. I'm done. Hello?
Yeah.
Wait a second. Oh, please.
No, get you. No, give me a hug. No, Jeffrey, get back here. Jeffrey, get your ass back here. Kill me, Jeffrey. God damn you, Jeffrey. Let me die. I don't want to live here anymore. Oh my god. No, I hate this. Hate this. Come on. Let me die, please. I beg you. I am lost as hell.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Bro, I'm lost. I'm trying to get out of here, but I'm lost. I'm just wandering around till a monster kills me.
Okay, explore. We should leave her. Hold on.
I hear you guys, but I don't know how to get to you.
That's fucking scary. That's fucking scary, bro. Hello?
Hello?
Guys, what's wrong?
Help me. I've been stuck in this maze for hours.
Guys, what map is everyone in? What map?
My battery is liminal.
You guys want to go to the farm?
Please, I need to get out. Let me in!
Does anybody want to go in? Do you want to go in?
What in the shit? What in the shibbity? I'm a scamman. What the? Is anyone here? Hello? Is there anyone here? Oh fuck. Red.
Guys, I'm stuck in here.
Well, I just ran around the corner because someone locked the door. I ran in, and then I got jump scared as loud as possible because he was just camping around the corner. I didn't expect him, and then had a heart attack.
Oh my gosh.
And the sun
What
like a
map
sun.
was
I'm out to Devtown.
Sh- sh- sh-
Wanna join me?
They're in Devtown?
I was about to say if you miss.
No. I never go to Devtown because they take you right there.
Yeah, this level made scared me a lot last time I played.
I give you a heart attack.
Not heart attack. Well, if I don't see the monster, he blends in with like the wood, and then just kills me out of nowhere. Yeah.
Hey, I think it's a 7. I was down.
Where do we go?
I don't want to go down. But
Yeah, I know, but they're chill guys. They won't kill you. Yet.
What do you mean? What do you mean yet?
Come on. You can make it. Whee! Did you hear him?
Did you not just hear
He's
that?
coming.
Yeah.
Coming from the underneath. Oh, hi there, monster. Where'd you go? Where did you go? Bro. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do Death Town alone. Not today. I just want to die. No, please, please. I don't fucking like this area. I don't like this. Fucking fuck. Oh, he's behind me. He's behind me, probably. Okay, I'm leaving this place.
Present, I already have hats. You just go to store hats, and you can.
Oh, they work now,
then,
hopefully. Hats.
Look,
Bro, I had hats. It won't. Let me buy them again.
I have.
Bro, I have
hats.
13,000.
I have all.
The hat I want is only 1,000. Give it to me.
I have all.
This
the
is
hats,
rigged.
and I got it for free. I got all these hats for free.
You're so lucky. Mine won't give it to me.
Like, I'm serious. For no reason.
That's it. I might buy the gun now just to shoot you.
Even though I have 4,000. How do you guys not have any hats?
I don't know. Mine just doesn't like to work.
Yo, I have a buddy hat. What?
Hello, is anyone in Skyscraper? Oh shit, no. No. No.
VIP room. Get in.
And that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe. Oh, that's the wrong fuck. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Please like it. Fuck! I'm so tired. Please like and subscribe so we can get to 150 subscribers. We are almost at 130, so we're only 21 subscribers away. Yippee! Goodbye.